I'm Marius. I'm the plant manager of Axxon Composites facility from Brașov, Romania. Today we are preparing the dispatch of one of our biggest projects, a 42 meters carbon mast that was designed and manufactured for a 90 feet luxury sailing boat. The mast will travel for nearly 2,000 kilometers and will cross over 4 countries before arriving at its destination yard and meet another Axxon Composites happy customer. We can't wait to see it installed on the boat, together with its standing rigging and carbon V-boom, both manufactured by Axxon.